In this video, we will talk about cross-join in SQL. A cross-join is a type of join that returns the Cartesian product of rows from tables in the join. In other words, it combines each row from the first table with each row from the second table. For example, we have a product table and colors table. As you see, we have 4 colors and 3 products. When we use cross-join to combine these two tables, we get a table like this. As you see, each product has been repeated 4 times because we have 4 colors. So the shirt has red, blue, black, white color, and same as for jeans and the other products. The other example is, suppose you want to print a combination of every student and subject to record their marks. So we have a student table and subject table. So when we use cross-join, we get a table like this. As you see, each student has been repeated 3 times as we have 3 objectives. So let's jump onto our SQLite Studio and see how to use cross-join. After opening SQLite Studio, we have a test database which includes 2 tables, student and subject. Student table include ID, name, city, and subject ID, subject, credits. Now, if we want to combine these 2 tables using cross-join, what we do, we write select. Then we have to specify the column names from table student. You can select everything or specify the column names. I will specify the first column name is name and then city. Then we have to specify the column names from the second table, subject. So I will write subject and credits. Then we have to write from, then write the first table name, student, and then write cross-join, then write the second table name. Close the syntax, and before I run the query, I have to select the correct database test, then run the query. As you see, we have a cross-join from the both table, student and subject. As you see, the student name has been repeated per the subject. So that's how you write cross-join query.